Warmly welcome to Scamper IT Services and hope you are doing great. This tutorial is here to walk us through on how to get a lifetime free domain and free hosting. Without much ado, let's get started. Right, so you make sure you have a stable internet connection that will help you go through these procedures. And also make sure you follow these tutorials carefully. Let's hold all other things constant. Alright, so we open any browser that we have been using. So here I'm using the Google Chrome browser, and inside the search engine what you are going to type is free domiani ai .com. So here is it. Okay, so let's type it again. Uh free domain. Okay, free domain I. Okay, freedomai.com. Alright, so this site is providing a lifetime free domain and free hosting that you can also use. Alright, so this is officially the website, and when you get here it says find a new domain name. Here, find a new domain name here. So you see how we have find a new domain name here. Alright, so here is it, find a new domain. Alright, so what you are going to do is to tap on their free domain section top here. Okay, so free domain name, let's tap on it. Alright, please make sure you don't block the ads in this app in on this platform, or else the platform will show loading, but you won't get the actual distance. So when you tap on the free domain section, you just have to come to this section. Okay, this section. So let's assume, or let's have a new domain name here. So let's give it a domain name Scamper. Okay, Scamper IT. Okay, Scamper ITS. Alright, so Scamper IT services. When you are done, okay, Scamper IT services.com .com .com. Okay, so let's do it this way because it's a domain name. Let's do it this way. Alright, Scamper IT services.com. Alright, so they said look at here, we have .xyz.net.com for free. Okay, all right, 1 year you are not paying anything, 0.00 USD, so you could search for it. Okay, but before you search for it, make sure you have entered what is here to ensure that you are not a bot. Okay, so QBNLJ. All right, so let me just enter QBNLG. Okay, QBNLG. Then I can now go ahead and tap on the search engine over there, and it says boom, congratulations, Scamper ITS is available. Okay, Scamper ITS is available, so you could add any of these sub domains to the domain name, but no need here. What I'm going to do is to tap on add to cart. So I tap on add to cart here, and when you are done, just tap on checkout. Okay, checkout. All right, so when you tap on checkout here, you just have to take DNS management. Okay, DNS management. So uh let's make sure we mark the DNS management, but it says web hosting. So let's say let's choose the web hosting, and says click here to add a hosting. All right, so please follow me closely. Okay, please follow me closely. All right, so for this hosting matters, let's get back, and we will try out later once our this thing is approved. But here what we are going to do is to confirm. Okay, is to confirm the server. Okay, so already added their name servers here. Okay, so you tap on continue. Okay, you tap on continue down here. All right, so once after tapping on continue, they said order summary. Okay, order summary. So you know what you are going to do, just proceed to checkout. Okay, proceed to checkout. All right, so once you tap on checkout, you will be asked to fill a form. Okay, you'll be asked to fill a form. So I have my form sometimes here, so let me just remove this. uh, Sorry, let me just remove the company is optional. Okay, the company section is optional. So here I pick I tap on the drop down button there and pick my country. So I'm right here in Ghana, so let me pick Ghana. All right, so let me change this phone number. Okay, all right, and go with this. Okay, so when I'm done, I need to add an email address. So let me add what email address there. All right, so I'm quickly going to add this email address. All right, so once after adding the email address, the country code should be 00. Okay, 00233, 00233. All right, so in this food I'm somehow done. Okay, I'm somehow done. All right, so you have to put in a password. Okay, you have to put in a password. So I'm going to pause this video and punch in the password. Okay, okay, so once I'm done with the password, okay, once I'm done with the password, I just go down and tap on complete order. Okay, complete order. So mind you, we haven't signed up on today's site. Okay, we haven't signed up. So please please correct the following errors before continuing. So let's scroll through and check the error they are talking about. So where exactly? So there are some places uh, we didn't fill. So let's try to fill all those places to proceed. Okay, so that place I think is here. All right, so because here we have to choose the region. Okay, the region where the city is. Okay, so okay, so I think we are good to go. We are good to go. So let's go and punch in our password again. And mind you, let your password be more than be 85% strong or more than that. Other than that, it's not going to work out. So let's complete the order and see. All right, so let's wait a while as it loads. Okay, so this is our order number. Okay, so always make sure you keep the order number. So with that, I'm going to screenshot the order number. So our screenshot is done. Okay, our screenshot is done. So you know what we are going to do, we haven't signed up. Okay, but before then, let's do this. Tap on send verification email. Okay, we need to verify our email, so tap on send verification email. Okay, tap on send verification email. So once the verification email is sent, just go or head back um to your Gmail and confirm. Okay, so this is the order, but the confirmation email is not here. So let's check the spam section. Okay, let's check the spam section. All right, so confirm your registration is here. And sometimes this is where it comes, so just come here and tap on the PIP verification. Okay, so let's tap on it. Let's tap on this link to verify. All right, so once you tap on it, just wait a while for it to load and you have to log in. Okay, you have to log in. So you log in to make sure that your account creation is successful. All right, so this is it. Okay, this is it. Our account creation is successful. So we are having zero domain, zero service tickets and invoices. So just tap on the domain. Okay, tap on the zero domain. Or and wait a while. So you could see that the account status is pending. Okay, the account status is pending. That means that uh your account isn't yet approved, so you have to wait a while. Okay, you have to wait a while, let's say 24 hours to 3 days for them to i mean uh approve your status. Okay, approve your status. So once the approvals is done, let's go to portal home. Let's go to portal home.
This fold and you go to free hosting. Okay, so you see we have free hosting here, free hosting service. So once your domain is done, you can just come to free hosting and connect your domain. Okay, so you choose the, let's say, the second one, shared order. Okay, shared order. All right, so once after choosing the second one, you go to free WordPress hosting. Order now. Okay, free WordPress hosting. So now you can connect your domain. Okay, you can connect your domain. So like with this Scamper ITS, if it approved Scamper, uh, Scamper ITS, then .com. Okay, .com, but it's not yet approved. So if it got approved, this is how you are going to get. Then I use my securing domain as update server. So you check this. Okay, you check this once it's done. So please, thank you guys for coming through, and if this tutorials was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. I will be happy to meet you in the subsequent videos. My name is Richard Jan, and I'm out.